Some guy did an impression of Chewbacca. There's obviously that guy that does it. He goes over to Universal Studio. He goes to Universal characters and Disney characters. He goes, "Hey, it's me, it's Scooby." Whatever he does. Absolutely hilarious. But someone did a Chewbacca one. Just listen to it. Okay, ready?
Chewie!
I'm crying. I'm crying. It's the way Chewie stares.
It's the teeth. It's his face like this. It's just like.
I'm crying. I'm absolutely crying. Watch it again.
Chewie!
He just walks away. Oh, I'm crying. It's one of the best videos I've seen.